Now I'm going to show you how to do the final band on this, which I've called Castle Wall for obvious reasons, because it looks like the top of a castle wall, and it's created in a very similar way to the Seminole border, in as much that it's all done with strip sets, and I've chosen to use the red and the cream, but obviously if you want to adjust that you certainly can, just adjust it to suit. And there are full details on the worksheet as to the size of the slices that you have to cut, because having your seam allowances going in the correct direction is vital to the whole thing sitting flat at the end of it.